This video is about the Dierya DK61E. We'll see what's in the box, if it talks, and the various RGB light effects. I wanted a small keyboard, so I bought this 60% one. Its selling point for me were that it is super budget friendly, it is hot swappable, which I really wanted. It has Gateron brown optical switches, which I really like to use, and the sound they make. It is a true RGB backlit. We'll see them later in the video. It is splash-proof IPX4, which is useful, and it has PBT keycaps with the frosted finish that help with the feeling and the fingerprints. Inside the box there is a plastic bag. Inside we find a pull key tool, a switch puller, and two replacement switches, one brown, one red. The red switches are linear, while the brown are tactile. None of them are loud like the blue switches. Honestly, I prefer the sound and the touch feedback of the brown switches, and that's why I chose this keyboard. Now let's hear if it talks. What do you think about it? Leave a comment below on how it sounds. While we see the RGB effects, I wanted to add that you can change them with the software or with the function commands. Being a 60% keyboard, it covers the missing keys with the function key combos, basically function and another key. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.